Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making rice hair conditioner for hair growth. Rice is very good for our hair. So using this hair conditioner will help to improve your hair texture, increase your hair volume, and also nourish your hair. Keep on watching and find out how I make this wonderful hair conditioner. To make this rice hair conditioner, I'll be using rice, so I would like to wash the rice to remove any dirty or dust. When I'm done washing the rice, I will add some water into a pot and add the rice. Place the pot on the heat and cook the rice until tender. The rice, I'll allow it to cool down before blending. Rice into a blender. I'll be using avocado for this hair condition, so I'll cut half the avocado and scoop out the avocado flesh. Avocado is very rich in protein, amino acid, vitamins, and it will help to smooth the scalp and promote strong and healthy hair growth. I'll be using ginger for this. I like to use fresh ginger. Ginger is very good for this hair conditioner because it's rich in minerals and essential oil, and it's a great remedy for dry and itchy scalp. It will also help to treat dandruff. Also be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. When I'm done adding the olive oil, I'll cover the blender and blend into a smooth paste. Done blending, I'll pour into a bowl. You can see how creamy and smooth the rice hair conditioner is. The next step, I'll be showing how to apply the hair conditioner. I'll be applying this hair conditioner on a cleaned hair. I will section the hair into 4 parts or more. Applying this hair condition, make sure that this rice hair condition touches every strand of your hair. Fresh ginger into this hair mask because the warming and stimulating effect of the ginger will help to increase circulation, increase hair growth, and also good for treating dandruff. Applying the hair mask, I will cover the hair with shower cap. This will help to generate heat. You can leave the hair for about 40 minutes, then you can rinse. I hope that this